Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to show you how to deadhead your dahlias. From July, dahlias are important players in the garden display. Their large, colourful flowers really brighten up the flower border, and with simple deadheading, that colour can keep on going. With regular deadheading, dahlias will flower from July until October or November, whenever you get your first frost. The first frost withers dahlias, ending their flowering for this year. We need to deadhead dahlias for two reasons. The first is to encourage repeat flowering, but the second is because withered brown flowers really draw the eye. See in this border here how your eye is immediately drawn to the brown lump of a spent dahlia bloom rather than the rest of the display, even though the rest of the display is more extensive than the spots of brown. So don't let your good gardening work be undermined by failure to carry out some simple deadheading. We're going to deadhead the dahlias in this border now. This dahlia flower is past its best, and we're going to remove it. Follow the stem down to the highest bud and snip. When the stem branches, like in this case, snip off the spent arm. If both arms of the branch are spent, then snip to the next bud down. If the flower is already well withered, it can be confusing to identify which is the new bud and which is the spent one. Buds are round, while spent flower heads are more pointed. Snip off the pointed flower heads, but leave the rounded ones. In a few days, they'll open into fresh, beautiful flowers. There. Doesn't the border look a whole lot better now? Happy growing!